Happy holiday, beautiful motorheads! This is the first big snowfall of the season. The motorcycles are tucked away for the winter. They're on trickle chargers, there's stable fuel in the tank, and it's time to just take a little time off from motorcycling. And I'm not mad about it. I don't mind the break. It makes me appreciate riding so much more when we're able to do it here in the Northeast. I wanted to share a few gift items that I thought might be great for the motorcyclist in your life, or if you just want to buy them for yourself, which, to be honest, I might get a couple of things for myself. Number one, and you can't see me putting up the fingers because I got mittens on, but number one is that you can buy some FÉROCE merchandise, which of course is awesome because it supports the channel and allows me to keep producing some good content for you guys, especially moving into the next 2026 season. So on the website, if you sign up for the mailing list, you'll get a 10% discount that you can use towards your purchase, and you can buy as much as you want, so that 10% just covers everything on that order. But we got winter hats, hoodies, t-shirts, stickers. We got some stuff on there, and the site is going to only be growing in the next year, so that's exciting news. Another item that I love, and I just don't understand why more people don't own this, and it's this. This item that I want to tell you about is the factory Effex quick strap. And before I even continue, I just want to let you know I'm not sponsored by this company nor any of the other companies that I'm going to talk about, except for FÉROCE, of course. These are just products that I love and have worked out well for me. So this quick strap is fantastic. What it does is it replaces the strap that comes with your goggles, and you replace the original strap and put in this quick strap. And it's got this Velcro release so that you can quickly release the goggles and let them fall away, which is great when you're out riding and it's super hot or you just want to take your goggles off. You don't lose your goggles. You don't have to worry about putting them anywhere. You just basically, let them hang, and then they can quickly go back on. Another reason why I like these is that you don't stretch out the strap, which you see, when people are trying to take them off and then put them on backwards, and they stretch out over time, and they get that weird wavy ribbing that happens from elastic getting loose. So the quick strap just makes it super easy to take your goggles on and off. Somebody actually gifted me a set of these years ago, and since then I have bought them for every single dirt bike helmet I have had, and have found that it's just such a logical, great option, and it retails at about around $20. After you've gotten your dirt bike helmet all situated, the next item is something that I don't ever do this, which is that I bought something off Instagram ads, and this company just kept pushing their product on Instagram, and I was like, it might be a gimmick. And again, I never buy anything off the internet like this, but I did. So I guess I can't say never. And it's this. It's the Artevive Earplugs. These were a 2-for-1 sale. So I got a pair and then I gave the extra to the BFF. They come with this carrying case, which actually ended up being great that it was white, because with all my gear being black, it was easier to find the white case in my pocket. But this unique design has a through hole so that you can still listen to whatever's coming through your headphones within your helmet, your comm system, so whether that's music or somebody else talking, it still comes through, but the shape and the design actually cuts down on the wind noise, which is really nice. There are different size tips within the box. So you can see here, you can choose whatever size works best for you. And I was pleasantly surprised. I thought that this was going to be a gimmick, but I have to say that they worked out great. And I was very happy with the wind noise reduction, which also just cut down on fatigue and hopefully is going to save my hearing a little bit over time. Artevive runs sales every once in a while, so I think that they ended up costing me about $28 for 2 pairs. The fourth item, and again, it's kind of in a theme with the hat, head, helmet space, and I don't know why. I guess it's that kind of thing where you don't really have to worry about sizing for people. So you don't need to ask what size are you? You can just find what needs to fit. And this item, I was originally going to buy from a company that heavily advertised, and I'm not going to say what the name of that company is because I didn't buy their product. I decided to go with the little guy. and that is Ride Tech Moto. When I bought my action camera, I needed a mount for my helmet. So I did a whole bunch of research, and I ended up on a Canadian company called Ride Tech Moto. I was a little bit nervous about them going into buying it because I didn't know, like with customs and stuff, like would I be able to get the product anytime this season? Well, it ends up, it was at my house within a week, and that was super impressive. So I think they might cross the border to ship in the US. I don't know. Anyway, it got here no problem, and it was easy to install. I am going to do a longer video on the process of installing it, but I have to say that I was super happy with the product. It's only gotten better over time because the adhesive becomes stronger in the 48 hours after you apply it to the helmet. But it's been a great mount, and it's a nice alternative to like sometimes some of the big guys. And there's a little bit of a theme here because I'm not against corporations and I'm not against buying from the big guys. You know, there's a reason why they exist, and you know, some of the products are amazing. But I do like to give like the little guy some support, because that money usually typically goes to, you know, smaller people or local people in the area. So if I have the opportunity, I will try to buy local. With that being said, this leads to my final holiday gift idea, which is a gift card to eBay. Now, a little bit random, right? We all know that we can go online and like buy from like the big guys again, whether that is Revzilla, Chaparral, like there's a bunch of big companies where you can buy gear, whether that's riding gear or parts for your motorcycle. I love eBay. Now, it takes a little bit of work, you know, to find what you want to find, but I have to say for like women's gear, eBay is a gold mine because women's gear does not sell. And even if it hasn't been worn, but it says that it's used in some context, they just don't sell. So there are some ridiculous deals to be found. I have sold brand new motorcycle riding gear personally that didn't fit me, and unfortunately I had to sell it for such a deep discount that whoever got it must have been really happy, because I have gotten in some of my reviews like, wow, I can't believe that this actually was brand new. And it's no joke. Like for instance, I had a $500 Alpine Star jacket that was the wrong size, and we won't say which way it was wrong. And I ended up selling it with shipping for $75, which means like I netted like $45 after all the expenses and eBay's cut. Anyway, just put it back out into the world. Like we help our riding community, right? But the point with that is that, you know, instead of things going into the landfill, you can purchase things for a lot less expensive, and it also puts money back into people's pockets, like the riding community, and everybody, you know, prospers with that. So these are my easy gift holiday ideas. They're nothing extravagant, and everything can be purchased for like pretty inexpensive. I can't believe actually how much it's snowing. I feel like it's been a long time since we've gotten a nice snowstorm, and I love the winter time. I mean, look at this. Is it not absolutely gorgeous? I also want to extend a very happy holiday to you and your family. I appreciate all of you who tune in, you know, almost weekly to watch my videos and to write the kind comments below. It means the world to me, and let's all be safe, warm, and hope that we all have food on the table that we can share with others. So, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.